Okay.
Yeah, you're all right. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know why I've been doing this so much. I'm still in drive.
Are you? That felt weird.
Okay.
Put it in reverse. There we go.
Now I turn it this way.
Should be good. You might have to unwind it a little bit because you might get too close to that truck. So you just unwind it a little bit and then back to the right again, all the way to the right again. And check over your left shoulder. If you're getting too close to the white band, you stop and reposition your vehicle. And then back to the left. So you straighten out with the wall here. So to the left. The other way. So you're swinging the other way.
Okay.
To the left. You're steering to the left. To the left. Because now you want your wheels to be like this, and you just press the gas a little bit and straight with the wall in front of you. There. That's good. And straighten it out. Voila. And then look around. You don't want to be using this thing. That's good.
That was a little rough. I won't do that on the table.
Now it's crunch time, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. I don't think we need that on. The lights right now, I have them on. I always turn them on during the day. You can turn them right off. Just twist it all the way down. Perfect. And with your foot on the brake, you want to turn the engine off. They'll ask you to turn the engine off. And to get the key out of the ignition, go ahead and try. Let's see if... Okay, so you push it in and down. There.
Okay.
Yeah. And you got your license on you?